What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Social. If you guys are new and you want to know more about uh, podcasting, tech, entrepreneurship, business, and much, much more, click that subscribe button, click the follow button, and let's get it going, guys. Hey, guys, welcome back to the show. For this episode, I just want to, go a little deeper on why it is important to, bring your audience into what you do, um, and why it is important that you, grow your business, grow your brand, because your audience can essentially help you as a podcaster, or as a business owner, or as an entrepreneur, grow your business. And it's very, very vital that you want to grow your business and why you're doing it, and you have to know you're doing it for the right reasons. So, number one, figure out a strategy that you want to implement, and it's pretty uh, crowded on social, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever platform you guys have. You have to find a way to stand out and market yourself in a way that will help your audience and your subscribers, uh, you know, get you out there. Whether it's posting content on YouTube, because a lot of people use YouTube nowadays because it's a video platform, and some people are doing video and audio together, which is a good thing. And it'll get, so if you're hosting a show, a podcast show, or uh, a daily show, like a news show or a entrepreneurship show or anything like that, and you do both audio and video, you're getting um 2 times the traffic. So whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, whatever it is, you know it's so very vital that you do this and implement your brand and tell your audience why you really want them to support you. And if you have any new subscribers or new fans or new clients, you want to bring value. And that's another key thing when it comes to creating content. You always want to bring value to uh, help them, because it's not all about you, it's about them. So how you can serve them, or how you can share information that they've never heard, or it's always important to give value, whether it's through YouTube, Twitter, audio podcasts, whether it's through audio content, um, or whether it's through live trainings, or in-person trainings. um, and a lot of people uh, always take this for granted, and for me, it just shows that when you create content and you be yourself, whether on camera or off camera, or on your podcast show or off, it really does show that you're authentic, you're genuine, and you yourself. So it really doesn't matter that people nowadays want to say that, oh, they're the next Kanye, or they're the next Jay-Z, or whatever. be yourself. Like, so if you're a rapper, for example, don't try to be the next Jay-Z or Kanye West. If you got a stage name, be that person. So if, like, say for instance, I'm myself, I don't wanna be like, Sean Cannell or Tom Bilyeu or anybody else. I'm me. I won't sacrifice, you know, the things that I love, to be someone else or be, you know, someone that I'm not. And it's just very, very important that, you guys learn that and you guys understand why it is important to be authentic, have empathy, you know, and do what you love. So it's always very, very cool to see people, posting. Some people hate on other people that post on social about their own lives, like, and not um, have another fast facade or different outlook on who they truly are as a human. So for me, when you're sharing content, creating content, making podcasts, putting out written content, putting out audio blogs, putting out audio content, visual content, or any other type of content, is always important to, share to your audience how they can support you. And if you guys have a new audience coming in, how they can help build your business, build your brand, grow with you as a creator. Because as a creator, you're making content for them, and they in turn either listen to your content, read your content, or watch your content. And they click subscribe. So every week, let's say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you put out a podcast episode, and you tell them to tune in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for an episode, they'll do that. And another way of thinking about it is to always put that in the description. So it's always good to let your audience know when you're posting content, and when you are going to be uh, putting out pieces of content on whatever platform you're using. And it's so valuable that people don't don't do this nowadays. They just post content for content's sake. And I've seen on social recently that people been hating on certain people, and that's, like, not good. So if you're yourself, be yourself. Like, don't sacrifice your happiness or your authenticity and who you truly are for something that you're not. So you want to do that, and just remind yourself, say, hey, I'm doing this for my audience, and I'm gonna be true to myself and be the person that I am and not someone different. And your audience will respect you for that. Your audience will commit to you for that. And it's always good that you understand this, and people and your subscribers and your fans understand this. Be who you are. So It's always good to create content and be yourself. People people need to do this, and I myself am gonna be going heavy on this for the rest of 2022 and beyond. So if you guys are listening right now, and if any of our new subscribers are listening right now, feel free to click that subscribe button if you guys think that I am right and this is what you need to do. So if you guys think that this is the right thing and you want to be yourself, click that subscribe button. Give me a like, give me a comment, and let me know what you think should be the right move for you and for your business. And you will definitely 1000% understand why it is important to be yourself. So let me know if you guys agree in the comments, and if you guys are listening, feel free to leave a comment on any not any social platform that you use or any podcast platform that you use. So this is just a little tip for you guys for the rest of 2022, and let me know what you guys think. Feel free to, if you guys are on Anchor right now and you guys are listening, feel free to leave me a voice note. And if you guys want to support me on Anchor, both of those links will be in the description, so you guys can feel free to click that link. If you guys want to subscribe as well, that link will also be there, and it will really help out the channel. So be yourself, guys, and create content, not every day, but put out content that brings value to your audience, like what I'm doing right now. So just be yourself, guys, and it will definitely help you in the long run. And for 2022, guys, just push out more content, be yourself, and your fans will definitely appreciate you for it and will love you for it instead of you being someone else. But yeah, guys, that's all I have to say for today. And I just want to thank you guys once again for listening. If you guys thinks this brings you any value, make sure to leave me a comment on any podcast platform that is available now, and we will do our best to get back to you. But once again, guys, I really do appreciate you listening. And if anyone is new and you guys want to subscribe to the podcast, links will be down in the description, and you can help support the channel. So once again, guys, really do appreciate it, and we are signing off. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time out of your busy day to take a listen to our latest episode. If you guys did like this episode, feel free to leave a comment, leave a reply. We're always answering your questions, and if you guys have a question, feel free to leave it on Spotify or send us a direct a voice note on Anchor if you guys are listening to us on Anchor. And yeah, uh, like I said, once again, if you guys are new, feel free to click that subscribe button and join the family. And we would really appreciate it. And we just want to thank you once again for taking the time out of your busy day to listen to us. And we will see you guys on the next episode of the Daily Social Podcast. Take care, guys.